Insurance is defined as a transfer risk mechanism by an individual or an organization known as policy transfer. Insurance company receive payment in terms of premium and will compensate you in the event of loss or damages. Insurance policy are used to hedge against the risk of financial loss, big and small, that may result damage.
Function of insurance: first, to provide us with peace of mind. Second, assistance in the economic survival. And the third, a basis of credit, indemnification of a case losses, solution to social problems, and a means of increasing our ability to use our assets. And the last is, it also serves society by stimulating savings and providing an investment capital. Thank you.
We have 7 types of insurance. First is the life insurance.
Your loved ones. They mean everything to you. You provide for their everyday needs and their future dreams. But what if something were to happen to you? No one wants to think about dying. But have you ever wondered how your loved ones would manage financially? Wouldn't you like to know? You can, with life insurance. Having life insurance means that if you were to die, your loved ones would receive money that would allow them to pay funeral costs, monthly bills and living expenses, any outstanding debt, including medical bills, credit cards, and mortgage, and allow them to finance future needs like your children's education or your spouse's retirement. Unfortunately, many people don't get life insurance because they believe it's too expensive. For most people, that's just not true. For example, a healthy 30-year-old can get $250,000 of coverage for around $12 a month. That's just 3 lattes. But how do you know how much coverage you need? A general rule of thumb is 8 to 10 times your salary. But this may be too much or too little for you, as everyone's situation is unique. To find your number, take a few minutes to use the online Life Happens Life Insurance Needs Calculator. It will give you a general idea of how much you need. Then reach out to an insurance agent. It's free, and they can help you get the right amount and right type of life insurance. You've always provided for your loved ones. Don't wait till that's no longer possible. Life happens. That's why there's life insurance. Learn more today at lifehappens.org.
Next, we have the property
travel insurance. Let's break it down into 2 easy parts. Smart travelers buy travel insurance to protect their trip investment before they leave, and also to protect them and their investment during their trip. To protect against losing trip costs that are prepaid and non-refundable if something unforeseen happens before you leave, you'll want trip cancellation insurance. What does trip cancellation insurance cover? While coverage varies by plan, many will cover you if you have to cancel for a covered reason, such as severe weather, or you, a family member, or traveling companion getting sick. What about coverage during the trip? Once you've left on your trip, you can still face a lot of unexpected dilemmas. For medical emergencies, travel medical and emergency evacuation benefits can help cover the substantial medical costs incurred and get you home safely. Baggage loss and baggage delay benefits can cover you in case your personal effects are lost, stolen, or delayed. Trip interruption coverage can cover your remaining trip costs if you need to interrupt your trip and return home for a covered reason. Compare and buy travel insurance at travelinsurance.com to find the right plan at the right price for your trip, every time.
Next, we also have medical and health insurance.
Health insurance helps protect you from high medical care costs. It is a contract between you and your insurance company. You buy a plan or policy, and the company agrees to pay part of your expenses when you need medical care. Many people in the United States get a health insurance policy through their employers. In most cases, the employer helps pay for that insurance. Insurance through employers is often with a managed care plan. These plans contract with healthcare providers and medical facilities to provide care for members at reduced costs. You can also purchase health insurance on your own. People who meet certain requirements can qualify for government health insurance, such as Medicare and Medicaid. The Affordable Care Act expands health insurance coverage for many people in the U.S.
We also have the investment linked insurance.
Eticapedia by Etica. Chapter 3. Investment-linked insurance and Takaful. Don't let the word investment scare you. The basis is the same as any other insurance. It protects you and your loved ones from rainy days ahead and uses part of your premium as an investment. But what's good is, it's a flexible plan. Not that kind. Depending on your finances and risk appetite, you can choose the type of fund you want to invest in. Low-risk funds would give you low but stable returns. High-risk funds, however, could produce high returns, but poor returns are possible too. You can also diversify and split your investment into different funds, more here, less there, or switch the amount between them, and even withdraw some of your investment, as well as top it up anytime you want. At the end of the day, all the growth will provide you with protection and build up savings for the future, from starting a family, to your child's education, and of course to all the lazy days, relaxing days you look forward to in your golden years. To recap, this is what investment-linked insurance and Takaful is at a glance. So always check with your insurance or Takaful advisor if you're unsure about your coverage. And to learn more about insurance and Takaful, click here. This is brought to you by Etica, Insurance and Takaful.
Next is education insurance.
School is not cheap.
Undergraduate loans, graduate loans, PhD loans.
We can't let our little Nobel Prize-winning PhD astronaut start his career in debt.
No, we can't.
Oh.
Don't worry, Daddy's got a solution. Bam!
He obviously did not get his PhD brain from you.
Junior's education is worth more than a gamble. That dream has to be protected, especially if Eric should pass away before he and Megan can save enough to pay for it like they want to. Life insurance can provide the protection their kids deserve. For example, since they have a newborn and a 3-year-old, they could buy a 20-year term life insurance policy that would pay a death benefit of $400,000. This can help ensure both kids have money for a college education. Term life insurance is the least expensive coverage Eric can buy because it provides shorter-term protection. As an alternative, permanent insurance, like whole life or universal life insurance, can guarantee protection for his entire lifetime and also build cash value that can be borrowed or withdrawn. So they can help protect their kids' dreams for college if Eric dies, while providing access to cash value that can help pay for college if he doesn't.
Maybe life insurance is a better idea.
Oh, so smart.
Finally, motor insurance.
Allianz has you covered with our comprehensive car insurance, which comes packed with some great features and benefits. For example, we'll cover your car for accidental loss or damage. So if your car is involved in an accident, damaged by fire, caught in a hailstorm, or unfortunately stolen, we will either repair your car, cover the cost of repairs, or we'll pay the amount we have insured your car for. You also have some peace of mind, knowing that you're covered up to $20 million for damage to other people's property from your use of your car when we decide it's from an accident that is partly or fully your fault. After an accident or theft, Allianz Comprehensive Car Insurance covers the reasonable cost of towing your car to the nearest repairer or place of safety. On top of that, for an approved claim, authorised repairs are guaranteed for as long as you own or lease your car. Allianz Comprehensive Car Insurance also includes up to $750 cover for your clothing and personal effects in your car that were damaged by a collision or stolen from your locked vehicle. Personal effects includes items such as your bag or sunglasses, for example.
Few example of insurance in Malaysia. Number 1, Alliance General Insurance Malaysia Berhad. Number 2, American International Insurance Company AIA. Number 3 is Etika Insurance. Number 4 is Hong Kong Insurance. Number 5 is ING Insurance Berhad.
Why do you take life insurance from Alliance Company?
I take the life insurance because to protect my family and my other people who depend on my financial support. And I hear that life insurance can give benefits to my tax. For example, like income tax.
Yeah, true.
And the life insurance also help me to achieve long-term debt. And the life insurance can help me with the long-term debt.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
Okay, thank you. Excuse me, miss, do you have a minute?
Yes, sure.
May I know if you have an insurance?
Yes, I do. I actually have travel insurance.
From which company do you take insurance from?
I usually take insurance from Etika Insurance Company.
Oh, I see. Why do you take the insurance from that company?
Actually, travel insurance help me in case of emergency, such as flight delays. I can get money from it, and also in case of my belongings get lost, and also it can cover my medical in terms of international travel.
Okay, looks like you always go traveling. Thank you, miss.
Thank you.
Hi, miss. Do you have time?
Yes.
May I ask you, do you have any insurance?
Yes.
I have medical insurance.
What company?
I take my insurance from medical insurance.
That insurance?
I take it to cover the payment cost for my hospitalization in case and other medical treatment. I also need it to cover the treatment cost for illnesses and other medical conditions.
Excuse me, sir. Do you have time? Can I interview you for a second?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you have any insurance?
Yes.
What type of insurance do you have?
Motor insurance. The reason why I take motor insurance is because it's compulsory in Malaysia as to protect driver, passenger and also third party. Also, it helps to reduce the cost of damage when occur in any event of accidents, and also to protect insured from any court case.
Okay, thank you.